Hello, my name is Sean. Welcome to another PSD to CSS Online video tutorial. Today we're going to look at a new feature called H-Menu. We have for a long time had a feature called Menu, which was if you clicked on a menu item, a whole menu would open for it. H-Menu stands for Hover Menu. It's like a mouse over menu. The menu automatically opens by just moving the mouse over your menu item. I can show you an example of what I mean here. This is a website that I'm building to just as an example for this. And so my menu here is the sales and rental and locations. The old menu, I'd have to click on the word sales to make the menu open. But here, I just mouse over and the menu shows up. So you can see it works pretty quickly and works for any of these. And of course, just like the menu feature, the menu that opens up can have links and well, anything you want in it, pictures and other things, anything you'd like. But here, let me show you how to make this. So this is our Photoshop file. We'll just look at the sales link here. It works the same way as any other menu or any link or link over works inside of PSD to CSS Online. We have a sales link. That's this part here. That layer is called sales link. Let's see. I'll zoom in on it here. That's called sales underscore link. And we also have a sales link over. Shoot, I was hoping you could see those both at the same time. Let's do this. There you go. So you can see this layer here is the sales link over. Underscore link over. And that's actually old news. If you've been using PSD to CSS Online, you know just how that works. The new part is this here, this layer here. It's called sales underscore H menu. And this layer looks like this. And now I'll slide it back over a little bit. And you can see it's basically the background for what I want my sales menu to be. Again, I can turn it on and off. You can see that's the sales underscore H menu layer. Now, in any kind of menu, a menu or an H menu, anything you put inside it, here we've got our various links and our link overs. Anything you put inside it works with it. So when the sales H menu is invisible, everything inside it is invisible. When the sales H menu comes up, then all of these, all of the sales links come up, and the link overs as well. So that's all you have to do to set it up. It's really the same thing as underscore menu. We're just putting an H in the name, underscore H menu. And PSD to CSS Online will go ahead and generate all the appropriate code for it to do exactly what you want. You don't have to worry about a thing. So I'll just show you how this works. We go ahead and save our file. Oh, that's right, Photoshop doesn't. Well, we don't need it. I already have it saved anyways, but I'll show you how we'll convert it anyways. We'll browse here for it. We'll grab Kiteboard 2 and upload the file. And right now, PSD to CSS Online is uploading our PSD Photoshop file and converting it to a web page. It's converting it to HTML and the CSS required and the JavaScript that is required for all that to occur. While we're waiting, we can look at the new design for PSD to CSS Online, or a new website design. It's a little more Web 2.0-ish. I like that the application itself is kind of out above it, out and right out in front by itself. So a little more obvious, hopefully a little more easy to use this way. There you go. It finished. It's all converted. We'll take a look at the what was generated. And here's the page loading up. My server's a little slow today, but you can see here's exactly the menus that were built in Photoshop. Converted it to this web page in PSD to CSS Online, and it just works. I didn't have to edit a line of code by hand. I didn't even have to look at it. It just works. So that's the new H menu feature. This is, if you're watching this video on YouTube, I know it's kind of hard to read, and you probably couldn't see some of the links before. You couldn't see some of the stuff inside of Photoshop there. There is a high resolution version of this video on the website, so just go ahead and visit PSD to CSSonline.com and go to the tutorial section and look for the H menu tutorial, hover menu tutorial, and you'll be able to see, there'll be a link back to this YouTube video, but there'll also be a link to a very high resolution version, full size version of the same exact video, and you can watch along there, and then you'll be able to read everything. It's a much higher quality. So there you go. That's HMenu. Have fun. Thanks.